Welcome to my channel, Solace ICT World. Watching a blur video is somehow annoying, but to overcome this, to remove it, this is what you do. While watching your video, just tap on your screen of the video, then click that settings button. Then from there you go to quality. In quality, you can see that is in auto adjust. You can choose higher quality. With that, your video will become clear. Once you click that X, then you can see that the video has become sharp now, unlike before that it was blur. So with this now you can watch quality video. If it's not as sharp as you want, you go back to the screen, tap the screen, the settings, quality, you will see advanced. This advanced help you to choose higher pixels. Like you are seeing here, the higher pixel is 480. Some videos you see 720, some videos you see 1080, that is pixel. So what you do is just select the highest quality, which is the highest pixel there, the highest number there. With that, the quality will increase. But you can see that in this video, the highest quality is 480. So that's why. Thanks for watching. Always remember to subscribe and share, comment.